Hello everyone, my name is Jamil and today we are going to solve a LeetCode problem palindrome number using C++. In this problem, what we have to solve is we have given an integer here and integer 1 to 1, 121 here. What we have to find is palindrome. So what is palindrome? Palindrome is a number. If a number is reversed and the original number is matched, then reversed and original number is matched, then we call it palindrome. So we will give it here true and if the negative number is come here, if the integer have negative number, it will consider as a false. And if there is no palindrome, we will call it as a false. So for this question, I am going to use three variables here. First variable for storing the integer x, and second variable for storing the reverse, and third for storing the last digit. In this question, I am going to use while loop and in the end, I'm going to give the return value and compare it and check. And if the condition satisfied, then it is going to come true. Otherwise, it's going to come false. So now let's write the code here. So here I'm going to give a condition here if x less than 0. So we call it false because the integer value shouldn't be less than 0. So now I'm going to create a original variable in here where we are going to store x and we are going to now create a long int of y because the reverse value should be greater than integer. So it should be greater. So using long int to reverse. After that, I'm going to create a while loop here and we are giving the condition here. X should be greater than 0, then the loop will be run. After the giving condition, we are going to give a variable here and its name is last digit. And in the last digit, what we are going to give here is put the put the x and giving modulus here by 10. Now after that, we are going to give a condition storing the value. So we are giving the reverse value here and for rev because rev I consider it is a short form. So I've created it and now I'm going to give this expression for this making reverse it and here I'm going to store it. After that, I've created here and I'm going to in the end we are going to divide x from 10. Why? Because it will continuously divide and if x 1 and 21 and suppose 1 and 21 and if the last digit comes 1, then again after dividing by 10, then it goes to 12. The value becomes 12 and then if we use the last digit expression, we will get the 2 and it goes on if the integer value becomes very large. So I'm using these expressions. Now what we are going to do is we are going to compare it. We are going to use original if equal to then to reverse. Then it will if this match it they will give the output true. Otherwise they will false. So now let's check it. So here is a small mirror. Now it's correct here. Check it. So here all the test cases are passed here. Now let's check it. So the test case passer and the runtime I've used is total time complexity is here full again because we are basically created very variables and so all the test cases are passed. So thank you for watching me and the GitHub link and the portfolio link I have pinned in the description. You guys can check it. And if there is something you can tell me that I have to improve, I can do it as well as. Thank you.